Watching other people's brand videos is the best way to prepare for doing your own. I'm a big fan of copying what works and innovating off of that. That's why in this video, I'm gonna show you an example from someone that I know that created their own video, and he's a mindfulness coach. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I run a video marketing company in Austin, Texas. On this channel, I create weekly tutorials to help business owners and entrepreneurs create video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of time. For those of you looking to really take your business to the next level, be sure to subscribe and click that bell so that you don't miss an episode. Redmond is a mindfulness coach who works with teachers to bring meditation and other mindfulness practices into the classroom. I'll link to his website in the description below so that you can check out his website and the full brand video. I got to know Lou during a 7-day trip to Peru. If you've seen my channel trailer, he's one of the people I was telling to be quiet as I was filming that video while hiking Machu Picchu. If you haven't already seen it, go check it out. During our time together, Lou was asking me about creating a brand video, and I directed him to my tutorial on how to write a promotional script. He watched that video, wrote his script on his own without my help, and then shot his brand video on his iPhone. And then he sent it to me, and it turned out great. You guys can definitely go check it out in the link below on his website. I personally was really inspired by his initiative, and I asked if he would be willing to record a video giving you guys feedback and encouragement on the process. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Lou.
Hi, this is Lou, and my experience in doing a brand video for myself was really pretty intimidating at first. I know how much hours go into this. I know how much money it costs to do this if you're going to hire someone. So the thought of doing it on my own was intimidating. And I found that after going through Amanda's process of doing the promotional video and how to piece things together and having some B-roll, having my friend shoot it, although it wasn't the best quality, I was able to start the process. And once I got going, once I got editing in iMovie, I was able to piece one thing over the next, and then you start getting those hits of dopamine that you're making progress, and it actually becomes fun to work on the project. And right now, what I plan to use it on is on my website. I want teachers and students to come to my website and see what I do, or mainly teachers to see what I do, and hopefully come down and obviously book my services. And the idea of having a video, especially for what I do, is because I am in there presenting and speaking to teachers and students at schools. They need to see video. So having something that I've done is important for them to see. And I also want to make note that doing this on your own, it comes with this new sense of pride, and it actually feels really good to accomplish something, and even though it's not the best quality, it is your own. So I suggest trying this on your own, or if you feel like it's a better move to hire someone and get a really high quality, solid video. But if you're on a budget, definitely recommend giving it a shot.
I'm going to second his recommendation to just do it. The second that you start the process and force yourself to jump, you'll begin to enjoy the journey. Your first video isn't going to be perfect, but no one expects it to be. Your audience is going to be impressed with your initiative alone, and that's going to increase your know, like, and trust factor. I highly recommend going to his website and checking out the video. When you see it in the context of the actual website, the video changes. You're not caring as much about the quality, and you're focusing more on what is actually being said in the video. And what's really cool too is as you're browsing the website, you can scroll down and the video will keep playing. So you're hearing his audio while reading other points on his page and maybe even filling out the contact form. So you can see how a brand video can really up the level of your website, even just an iPhone quality video. Definitely go check it out, and hopefully this is encouragement for you to consider creating your own brand video. Are you ready to start writing your brand video script? Comment tribe below and go check out my video on how to write a promo script. And as always, if this video was valuable to you, be sure to tap like. It's a really small thing for you guys, but it sure does help me out, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video. That's why in this video, I'm gonna walk you through a DIY That's why this video is all about, I'm going to second his recommend, damn it. I know it's a small action for you guys, but it really helps me, blah, blah, blah.